Welcome to another mini vlog na puno ng aberya. Today we are shipping out the packages for our raffle winners. I've already shipped those that are within the metro. Ito yung mga medyo malalayo. So ito yung rason kung bakit medyo natatagalan ako mag-ship out ng mga prices because I do them by myself. From curating the packages to packing them to shipping them out. And I honestly enjoy doing this because it makes it more personal. So my plan was to send this via LBC, not sponsored. However, and aberya number one, as I was going to LBC, naalala ko na they only accept cash. Wala akong dalang cash. So I was contemplating kung babalik pa ba ako ng bahay para kumuha ng cash. Buti na lang tinamad ako so I resorted to just withdrawing. And that's aberya number one. So now na nasa LBC na tayo, I had to fill out the form multiple times. Kaya somehow naaalala ko na rin yung mga pangalan ng winners. I had to make sure na tama lahat ng details and that the stickers were properly placed on the right packages. This is actually a special trip because apart from all of these that are going out of town, merong isang winner na halos kapitbahay ko lang pala. So I decided na for that package, I will personally deliver it to them. So once everything's done, they packaged it. And can I just say that I love our local LBC. They're very helpful and very concerned with the packages that we're sending. They even make sure na tama yung address na nakalagay. So after this, I was off to that special delivery that I mentioned. Nung first time ko siyang sinearch sa Google Maps, I thought it was just like a few blocks away from our house. So doon ako nagpunta. Yun pala, mas malayo. Naglakad lang ako to LBC. Akala ko kasi talaga on the way lang yung bahay niya. But since yun na yung nakaset sa utak ko na ako yung magde-deliver sa kanya nito personally and sayang naman kung ilalala-move pa, kinailangan kong bumalik ng bahay to get our scooter. Aberya number 2. Ang tagal ko nang nakatira dito sa Taytay pero sa totoo lang hindi ko pa talaga memorize yung mga places dito kasi bihira naman kaming lumabas. So nalito pa ako sa paghahanap ng address. Aberya number 3. Tapos kaya naman pala napakahirap hanapin dahil nandito sa loob ng Eskinita. Boss, dito ba yung Street? Ah, okay. Thank you. So nung papasok na ako, iniisip ko na kung ano yung gagawin ko, kung paano ko iaabot yung package and everything. Na-realize ko na hindi ko pala dala yung package. Naiwan ko sa bahay nung kinuha ko yung scooter. Aberya number 4. So mula doon sa location nila, umuwi pa ako ng bahay just to get the package. Tapos bumalik ulit ako doon sa bahay nila. Okay, this is not another aberya, but unfortunately, the winner wasn't home. She was at work so I didn't get to meet her. Pero at least na-deliver pa rin natin yung package. And na-overcome natin lahat ng mga aberya. So success! See you again next time, guys!